how to purchase and install a Ubigi SIM on an iPad using a QR code. Go to the Ubigi website. Browse the eSIM store or use the drop-down menu to find your destination. Choose a data plan of your choice and click on Buy a new eSIM. Fill in the required fields and click Checkout. Once your purchase is complete, you will receive a QR code by email. Use it to install your eSIM on your device. Open the email and hold and press the QR code to install your Ubigi eSIM on your device. Tap Allow to begin installing your eSIM. This step may take a few minutes. Tap on Continue to activate the eSIM on your device. Once the eSIM is installed, just tap Done to finish. Now make sure that Ubigi is selected under Cellular Plans. Now that your eSIM installation is complete, go back to the email you received after your purchase and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be redirected to ubigi.me or the Ubigi app if already installed to create your account and link your Ubigi SIM to it. Swipe through the welcome screens to reach the Sign Up. Create your account. Select your country of residence, not your destination. After creating your account, your Ubigi eSIM data plan is now being added. You'll be redirected to your dashboard in a few seconds. On the dashboard, you will see your data plan ready to use. Without being activated, it will be available for 6 months on your account. Thanks to our Smart Start feature, your data plan will only activate once your eSIM connects in a destination covered by your plan. To know how to activate, see our tutorial on how to activate or deactivate your Ubigi eSIM. Good to know! Your Ubigi eSIM can be used in 200+ destinations with free app access to top up anytime, anywhere.